What's up, my name's TechNumber here for Troubleshoot and welcome back to another video. So recently Steam released an update where they changed how certain things look on the platform, and for some people it's rather confusing. I'll release a couple of videos updating older videos of mine. In this one we'll be tackling how to set launch options of games in Steam with the new update. Simply locate a game on Steam that you'd like to set launch options for. I'll go with, say, Counter-Strike Global Offensive, right-click on it and then click Properties. Now usually you'd head across to a different tab or click a button to set launch options, but instead you'll find it at the very bottom of the general section on the left hand side, right down here. Launch options. Simply type in launch options that you want here, and then after doing that, simply close out of this window. It should save automatically. If you'd like to get rid of them, simply select it, backspace or whatever, and then close out of it once again. Then the next time you start up the game, it'll start with or without launch options that you have defined in that options menu. Now, of course, this was a very quick video, but it's a little tip for those who didn't know about the new update first of all, and second of all, if you're confused, that's where it is. Thank you all for watching. My name's been TechNumber here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.